Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? How are you? I'm good. It's been a very long day. I was up at midnight. I had to lay back down about 7 o'clock, 7:30. And got back up about 11 o'clock. And then woke up for a little while. And then I went out and about. And I went to a Dollar Tree, because this is a Dollar Tree haul. And went to Barnes & Noble. And stood in line to, I swear, to an hour to 45 minutes to get a $50 gift card at Barnes & Noble's. But then I went to Dollar Tree because I needed paper plates, Q-tips, which I forgot, and yeah, purposely for items, and I forgot one item. Don't tell husband. I'll go back there again tomorrow. I'm just kidding. But, so, while I was at my Dollar Tree, the owner of my Dollar Trees, he owns the franchise of the ones in my area, was there because I went to the newest Dollar Tree in Green Bay. Tara, the manager's out with COVID. So he's at the store, keeping everybody in line because they're all basically new people. It's only been open since, I want to say, July 17th, so a lot of people in there are new. I said to him, when are you raising the prices to $1.25? He says he's not until he is forced to. Right now, he says it's up to the individual stores. So he's leaving his at $1, which is good news for me. Hey, right? So, to the haul. Well, I was at this Dollar Tree yesterday. They didn't have any of this in, and I love this stuff. It's the chalkboard paint. So, I picked up 2 that were in my second store today. I call this one Terra Store. Terra Store. And I picked up me a few new paintbrushes. I think for $1 for these, they work awesome. I mean, I wear the living hell out of mine. If you saw some of mine paintbrushes, look at, here's one. Look at clean, yeah. I wear them out. So, for $1, even $1.25, I'm happy paying that actually. So, for a decent brush. So I got 2 more of them, and they come with 2 in a package, so you get a big one and a small tip, which is nice. So, got that. Then, found me some of those dolls. Riley got the native one yesterday. And today I found some pale skin ones. And I bought 3 more just for me to alter for Halloween next year or sometime this year. You never know. Then, they had new containers in, which are nice. If you guys see these, I would pick some of these up. They're nice and sturdy. Come with the handle. They have 3 different colors: gray, peach, and a green. And I don't know, this is the first time I've seen them. So I bought me 4 of them. I like that they have the enclosed. Nice. I'm always looking for storage things, and these, I like the fact I can stack them. So, I got 4 of those. Might go back and pick up me 2 more of those after Christmas. Even if the handles are different colors, I don't care. Alright. Then, I bought my elves. Nana's elves on the shelf. Some furniture today. I bought them a couch, a lounger, and some chairs. I'm going to be doing these next year. I'm going to put these away because I'm going to gesso these and repaint them and look more like Christmas. And have my own little fabric to them. Chairs I'm going to do actually possibly tonight. Or I may just save them for next year. I haven't decided. I want to find a table so they all can look like a round table. Dan. This one I bought. I had to buy it. I thought it was so funny when I saw it. I'm like, oh, I'm taking it home with me. I'm putting Coda's guys on it. I'm actually going to do this one for sure. The toilet. So I'm gonna decorate the back and put a little red truck on the back. He's gonna sit on the back of my toilet in my bathroom, and I'm gonna stick Coda's elf on it. And then I'm gonna put a Hershey Kiss. I have to kind of put a little piece of something right there. I'm gonna put a Hershey Kiss inside there. Thought that was funny. Yeah, I got a weird sense of humor, so I got them. See, what else? Showed you the plastic band, showed the head, showed the paintbrushes, showed you that. Oh, by the way, that is the red I bought yesterday. Yeah, I left my 3 nails undone because I have a purpose to show you. But ain't that pretty? Very pretty. So this kiss is really pretty. But I came across these, and I have one open because I thought of this. I was going to show you what they look like because I found this very interesting. And then my video started acting up, so I actually went and took my fingernail polish off just to show you. So this is called, and I opened this one, it's by LA Colors. This one is Send Me Roses. It's supposed to be rose scented, so I'm very curious. So that's the color. And this one is Lavender Love, lavender scented. We're going to see. And this one is Nuts About You, coconut scented. And they're all by LA Gears. So let's check out the one. I'm actually going to open them all. Let's check out the. So you get a little nail file. Oh, that feels weird. Oh, because it's not this side. That's the decorated side. I was like, not bad. Okay. So let's check out this one. It's a pretty color. That's what color it is. It looks like there's a little shimmer in it. Let's see. I don't smell roses. I smell nail polish. So let's put it on my thumb and see. Oh, pretty color for Riley. Not so much me. I like my reds. So, but it's got a pretty shimmer to it. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm trying to get. Got a very pretty shimmer. Kind of paley pink. Still don't smell roses. I smell nail polish. So let's get the Lavender Love. Lavender Love. This one is supposed to smell like lavender. Oh. Very pretty. Still got a pretty shimmer in there. Oh, smells the same to me. Very light. I expected the way they looked. They're more like a shimmer than my type of polish. I like a full cover. These would be pretty on top. Oh, let's see. See, I gotta redo my nails anyways. So let's put it on top of my one red nail and see how it looks. Oh, now that looks pretty. On top of my one nail. There's a shimmer on top of a nail. A solid color. Because it's very light. You can't hardly even see the purple. Can't even tell there's anything there except for a shimmer. Maybe I'll shake it up a little bit more. These might be given to the girls. I'm not happy with these. Yeah. I am not pleased with these. See, I like my color, so yeah. Yeah. There's the pink. Oh God, it does smell like roses. It's got to dry. So the roses are smelling. Oh, that is weird. It smells like a bathroom. I haven't smelled that one. So let's check out the coconut. Nuts About You, coconut scented. It's a red. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a light. Not much, but it looked really pretty over a red, I betcha. Oh yeah. So I don't know. I mean, I'll depend on you. My nails get so dirty underneath. That's why I have stain from paint. That I always put dark colors on until my nail grows out. But on top of a color would be pretty. So I'll wrap them up. Give one to Riley, one to Allie. They'll never know they weren't in packages. I'll let you guys tell them. Okay, the rose smells like it. The lavender smells like lavender. Oh my God, it does actually smell. That's weird. But, I mean, if you just want a shimmer on your nail, I guess it's alright. It's not my thing. So, I'm going to save the red to go over my top of my red, but by itself I'm not happy. So there's the 3 colors. I'm a model, guys. Oh yeah, I can smell the coconut. It's a weird feeling. But that's the pink. It's like a peachy pink. It's not pinky. And a lavender. Very lavenderish. And then like the red. I mean, they're okay. Like I said, think about it. I like red. I messed up on my nail. Look at, I'm redoing my nails tomorrow anyway, so. The one thing I did is remember it's more nail polish remover. But I want to thank you guys for watching. So, for $1, they're worth the buck. If you like shimmer. But I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. It is Friday. I have the PJ, Nana and Papa's annual PJ party tomorrow night at Diamonds. I have to be there for, I forgot. I think 1, 2. I don't remember. No, I was supposed to be there at 10, but we have Amazon packages coming in. So now we changed it until the Amazon packages are supposed to be here. If they're not here by 4, my neighbor's going to grab them for me. So I will talk to you all later. I want to thank each and every one of you who stuck around and watched this very long Dollar Tree haul and nail polish present. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas and bye for now.